Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between voucher and invoice. To keep a complete record of business transactions, vouchers and invoices are maintained by the company in support of the financial statements. Voucher refers to a printed document that is used as a witness for a transaction, like the purchase of product or asset, payment of the liability. It keeps a record of the ledger account, in which the transaction is recorded. As against this, the invoice is a non-negotiable instrument prepared by the seller and sent to the customer, containing the details of merchandise, such as quantity, quality, date of delivery, terms of payment, price, tax, etc. So, let's look into the basic differences between voucher and invoice in a tabular form. Difference number 1. The voucher is termed as a written internal document used for recording a liability or debt to make payment to the supplier or seller of goods or services, whereas an invoice is termed as a written commercial document issued to a buyer by the seller, indicating the transaction details of the sale of goods or services. Number 2. Different types of voucher include receipt, payment, purchase, sales, journal, contra, etc., whereas different types of invoice include excise invoice, commercial invoice, tax invoice, pro forma invoice, etc. And difference number 3. In a voucher, description like name, address and other details of pay, transaction details, amount, date, etc. are included, whereas an invoice contains descriptions of items and its quantities, prices, amount, discount details, if given, date, credit terms and payment details, etc.